Whether it's something you love or hate, living in Canada during the winter, it's inevitable you will experience snow. While some people dislike the snow because of the frequent need to shovel your driveways, it is also dangerous to drive in and difficult to walk in. Others love it for many reasons.
Yeah, it's a great day here at Bowler Mountain. We're all Canadian here. We're going to have winter, so why not come out and enjoy winter? Bowler Mountain, we offer skiing, snowboarding, and we also have a two-park as well. So 3 different activities to get people out during the winter and get out, get off the couch, get outdoors, have some fun, and enjoy what we have to offer right here in London. Bowler Mountain is great. We have programs that start lessons. We got kids coming out here starting at age 2 and 3, and we also have people come back out here with their grandparents. We have people as old as 80, 82 come out, enjoy the property as well. It's a great facility. Whether you're coming with your family, whether you're coming with your friends, it's just great to get outdoors and have a lot of fun in winter.
It seems the kids may appreciate the snow rather than the sunshine.
I like the snow because I don't really like the heat in the summer, and I like the sports that you can do in the snow, such as hockey, skiing, a bunch of other different sports you can do, and I like to play in the snow too. It's pretty sweet.
I like the snow because it's fun to play in and you don't get really hot or sweaty, and there's a lot of fun sports you can play, like skiing or snowboarding, and when you fall it doesn't hurt that much.
We get to throw snowballs. Of course, we can't do that at school.
Build snow. We get to have fun.
And especially
have fun.
For those of you that didn't like the snow before, this might make you think twice.